In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate mockups in Adobe Firefly. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly and press Enter. You're looking for the official Firefly site from Adobe. It usually appears at the top of the results, and the address includes firefly.adobe.com. Click that to open the Firefly workspace. Depending on your region and account, you may see a simple landing page with a prompt box ready to use. That's exactly where we want to be. Now let's craft a clear prompt for a product mockup. In the prompt field, type perfume bottle on wood table, studio lighting, hyper-realistic. This structure is great because it tells Firefly three important things. First, the subject, which is the perfume bottle. Second, the setting, a wood table that gives us a natural surface and context. And third, the mood and look, with studio lighting and a hyper-realistic style. You can adjust descriptors like the type of surface, lighting, or camera feel later, but this is a strong starting point. Before generating, look for the model selector in the interface. Change the model to Nano Banana if it's available in your dropdown. Different models interpret the same prompt in different ways, so selecting the one called Nano Banana can yield a slightly different rendering style and detail handling. If you don't see it, just use the closest available model in your account and continue. The process remains the same. With your prompt in place and the model selected, click Generate. Firefly will process your request and display image options based on your prompt. Give it a moment. Once the results appear, take a close look at composition, reflections, shadows, and material details on the bottle and the table. If the vibe isn't quite right, make a small tweak to your wording, like soft studio lighting, warm tones, or shallow depth of field, and click Generate again. Tiny changes can make a big difference. You can also refine by emphasizing key terms in your prompt, like glass reflections or product photography, to steer the realism toward a polished commercial look. When you see a version you like, consider how it might be used in presentations, ads, or packaging previews. The goal is a believable, clean mockup that communicates your product concept clearly. And that's it. You've searched for Adobe Firefly, entered a targeted mockup prompt, switched the model to Nano Banana, and generated professional-looking options you can iterate on quickly. Keep experimenting with concise, descriptive prompts to dial in the exact style you need. Thanks for watching and happy creating.